At Princeton University lives New Jersey's most famous foreign-born citizen, Professor Albert Einstein, who helped discover the atom bomb.
We scientists who release this immense power have overwhelming responsibility in this world life and death struggle to harness atom for benefit of mankind and not for mankind's destruction. We beg you to support our efforts to bring realization to America that mankind's destiny is being decided today, now, this moment. We ask your help in this fateful moment as sign that we scientists do not stand alone.
I agree.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a
Mass and energy are both but different manifestations of the same thing. A somewhat unfamiliar conception for the average mind. Furthermore, the equation E is equal mc squared, in which energy is thought equal to mass multiplied with the square of the velocity of light, showed that very small amount of mass may be converted into a very large amount of energy, and vice versa. The mass and energy were in fact equivalent, according to the formula mentioned above. This was demonstrated by Kokra and Walton in 1932 experimentally.
Einstein regarded this as the greatest mistake of his life. When Albert Einstein developed his equation of general relativity, he found that the equations predicted an expanding universe, something that was not known to astronomers back then. Einstein also believed that the universe was static, and he didn't want his equations to predict an expanding universe. So he added a small number, the cosmological constant, which acted like a repulsive force that balanced out the attractive force of gravity. However, in 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe is actually expanding. This meant that Einstein's cosmological constant was unnecessary, and he later called it his biggest blunder. But in recent years, scientists have revived the cosmological constant to explain a mysterious force called dark energy that astronomers think is responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe.
Did you know the last word of Albert Einstein? When he passed, nurses found a speech he was about to deliver in Israel and a set of equations by his bedside. His last words will never be known. He said them in German, but the attending nurse did not understand German and could not recall what Einstein said.